So, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to the class. So, let's see. So, today we have Sifra. How are you, Sifra?
I'm good.
Next, we have Putri. How are you, Putri?
I'm
Putri,
fine, sir.
can you hear me? Oh, okay. Next, we have Tessa. How about you, Tessa? How are you?
I am fine, sir.
And next is Milenia. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
And the last one, we have Patrick. How are you, Patrick?
Pretty well, sir.
So now we are going to learn about preposition of time. So we will be learn about in, on, at. So the next slide is about the today's agenda. We will watching a video, reading a dialogue, identifying the preposition of time, and we will give an explanation of the preposition. So before start the lesson, let's see this quote first. So it's from Roy T. Bennett. He said that to learn something new, you need to try new things and not be afraid to be wrong. So I hope you can be active in this class. So I hope you don't be afraid to answer I mean you need to be active and kamu bisa nggak usah khawatir untuk menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan. So next we will watch the video. So Mr. Pugu will share the video. What's Mr. Pugu? So yeah, that's the video. So what can you understand from the video? So I need a volunteer that will answer this. So what can you understand? Is there any volunteers? Shifra, can you share your opinion about the video? What is this about?
The video, I think it's about on, in, at, in preposition time.
Okay, that's right. So I think I need another answer. So Patrick, can you share your opinion? For you.
Ada on-nya, ada in-nya, ada at-nya, sir. Terus ada ininya. Yang di on-nya ada waktunya. Gitu, sir.
Okay, that's right. So from the video, we can learn about the rules how to use in, on, and at. So for the next activity is reading time. So I need volunteers that will do the dialogue. So
Saya, Sir.
okay,
Saya mau,
Patrick,
Sir.
and is there any other volunteers? Will help Patrick.
Saya, Sir.
Okay. So let's start the dialogue, please.
Who is Rudy, Sir?
Oh, you can be a Rudy, Patrick. I'm sorry.
Hey, morning, Budi.
Good morning, Rudy.
Have you heard that we will have a test one on the 1st of December?
Yes, and I will study with Santi on Sunday. Do you want to join us?
Sounds good, but I will come late because I need to clean my room in the morning.
That's okay. I will be waiting.
Let's move on to another dialogue. I need two volunteers. Will be Santi and Ratna. Is there anyone who wants to try it?
Me, sir, I want to be Santi.
Okay, and another one, please. Tessa, how about you? You can. Okay, so let's start the dialogue.
Hey, Ratna, long time no see. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Great. So, what did you do in summer?
Well, I went to my grandma's house. How about you?
I was only staying at home, wake up in the early morning and slept late at night.
So yeah, thank you, Putri and Tessa. So the next activity is about the explanation about the preposition of time will be explained by Mr. Cindy. So Mr. Cindy, please.
Okay. Hello, guys. So, do you hear my voice?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so after we watching the video and reading the dialogues, so what do you think about this word? This word, July. Preposisi yang tepat apa ya untuk kata ini? Jadi, what kind of preposition of time that suitable with July? What do you think?
In.
On.
Are you sure? Is it in or on?
I think on, sir.
On,
Hmm,
I
sir.
think in.
Okay, nice try. So the answer is in. Okay,
Ah.
so next. Yeah, how about this? 4th of July.
At.
Is it? Are you sure? Is it at 4th
Yes,
of July? In 4th of July or on 4th of July? What do you think? Menurut kalian yang mana yang benar?
Yeah.
I think at, sir.
Nice try, but the answer is on. Actually, it's on 4th of July. Then the next. How about this? 8 p.m.
I think it, sir.
Good, well done. The answer is right. It should be 8 p.m. So, for the further information, next slide. Okay, so we use in for long period of time. For example, month, years, the century. Jadi untuk periode waktu yang lama, biasanya kita menggunakan in. Seperti in January, in February, on summer, in the 2020, the 70s, we use in for long period of time. Untuk musim, bulan, tahun, kita menggunakannya in. Then on itu untuk specific days. If January we use in, but 30th of August we use on because tanggal 31 Agustus adalah sebuah hari yang spesifik, jadi bukan periode waktu yang lama. Jadi we use on for 31st of August. Then New Year's Day, Christmas Day, Saturday. How about at? We usually say at New Year's because New Year's, if it only New Year's, there is an event. Kalau cuma New Year's, itu cuma event, but it different with New Year's Day. Hari tahun baru dan tahun baru itu berbeda. Jadi kalau tahun baru kita menggunakan at. Sama seperti kalau waktu at 10 p.m. So for the exact time we use at 10 p.m., at 9 p.m., at New Year, at Christmas. That's for example of using of at. Then, so we also use in to say the time. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We use in for those untuk semua untuk keterangan waktu tersebut kita menggunakan in, but it will different for night. We use at for night. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Then on the weekend. We usually say weekend with on the weekend. Do you swim on the weekend? That's for the example. So far, so good. Or any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it's clear enough, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next slide. So I will give you 1 minute to read this reading material. Then find the preposition of time on the reading material. Okay, 1 minute started from now. Okay, have you done reading?
Yes, sir.
So, could you please read a sentence that contain a preposition of time? Coba kalimat mana yang mengandung preposition of time? Hati-hati ya, karena di sini ada preposition of time dan sama preposition of place. So you need to differentiate between those preposition. So, Patrick, could you please read a sentence that contain preposition of time?
On 31 of February.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Kimberly and Sarah will go to a cinema on 31 of February.
Can anybody hear Patrick?
I can, sir.
I think it's because of your connection. Could you please repeat it?
I think Patrick's answer is 31 of February.
Okay, so do you mean the first sentence?
Yes.
Okay, good, well done. That's also contained the preposition of time on the 31st of February. So, the next, who want to try? I think Tessa. Another sentence that contain preposition of time.
Then they will go back home in the evening.
In the evening.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Nice try. That is also preposition of time. Okay, now the response. I think Sifra.
What? I'm sorry, sir.
Can you find a sentence that contain preposition of time?
I think in the evening, in the last.
So the sentence is, then they will go back home in the evening. Is that right? Is that right? Any comment? Apa yang dijawab Sifra itu benar nggak? Kira-kira?
Benar.
Yang lainnya?
Benar,
Menurut...
sir.
Okay,
I think
that's
it's
good.
true.
Yeah, that's true. So in the evening also preposition of time. Okay, I think you have understand already. So let's continue with the next activity.
Okay, for the game time, I will read the instruction for you. This is the game time, so please enjoy this. Okay, this is a Metal Fingers game from a preposition of time. You can use your thumb if your answer is in, and index finger if your answer is at, and little finger if your answer is on. Jadi yang kalian akan lakukan adalah menjawab pertanyaan kosong menggunakan ini, tangan. Jadi kalian nanti menunjukkan tangan kalian, jempol untuk in, kemudian telunjuk untuk at, dan kelingking untuk on. Ada yang mau ditanyakan sebelum kita mulai?
Tidak, sir. Jelas.
Okay, let's start. Rudy goes to school, blah blah blah, 7 o'clock. Okay, please wait.
Okay, please show your finger, please. Turn on your camera and show your finger.
I think Tessa is wrong. Yeah? The Tessa's answer is wrong. Tessa is answering on. You right, Tessa? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is at or telunjuk. Okay, let's move to the next is Rudy walks to his grandma's house, blah blah blah, the afternoon. Okay, please show your finger.
Ini, sir. Udah, sir.
Itu apa, jempol? Oh iya, jempol. Okay, your all is correct. Okay, let's move to the next is Rani goes to the swimming pool, blah blah blah, Monday. All right, the answer is correct. And the next is Raka bought a bicycle, blah blah blah, 24th of August. Right. Your answer is correct. Oh. Okay, the next is Rita will visit her cousin, blah, 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 the morning. Okay, Shifra is correct. Putri is correct, Putri correct, and Tessa is correct. Okay, so your answer is correct. The next is Putri take a bath, blah, 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 6 o'clock. Okay, Putri is correct, Putri is correct. Tessa, are you sure about that, Tessa? Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Next is Sinta will go to Bali, blah, 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 March. Are you sure about that? Okay, Tessa, I think Tessa is correct. How about the other? Putri Potrik and Sifra is wrong. Okay, the correct answer is in. Sinta will go to Bali in March. Okay, so the next is Ratna got a doll, blah, 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 her birthday. Okay, Putri is correct. Sifra is correct. Oh, Tessa again. Tessa, are you sure about your answer? Okay, Tessa, that's wrong. So the right answer is on. Ratna got a doll on her birthday. And the next is Santi went to his grandmother's home, blah, 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 summer. Okay, Tessa got the answer. And Putri. Okay. How about you, Putri? Are you sure about that? Okay, so the right answer is in. Sandy went to his grandmother's home in summer. Okay, let's move to the last question is Siti went to the library, blah, 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 Monday. Okay, Tessa, Siva, Putri, Patrick. Okay, your answer is correct. So the answer is on. Siti went to the library on Monday. Okay. For this activity is things to think about. So what can you learn about the preposition of time? Can anyone explain your answer? Jadi yang kalian sudah pelajari tentang penggunaan in, on, dan at itu apa saja?
In itu untuk jangka waktu yang panjang. On itu lebih spesifik. Kalau at itu lebih spesifik lagi dari on.
Okay. Okay, that's right, Patrick. Any volunteer? Yeah, Mr. Jendis, give applause for Patrick. Okay, any volunteer again? What can you learn about the preposition of times? How about Tessa? What can you learn, Tessa?
In is not specific. on more specific, and at is the most specific.
That's very, very simple explanation, right? Okay, we said you don't have any volunteers, so we want to have homework. Okay, this activity is, most of you like it, right? Okay, for the homework is you need to make a reflection based on what you have learned today by answering these questions. The first one is, what did you learn today? And the second is, what do you know about preposition of time in? And give an example. Third is, what do you know about preposition of time at? And give an example. And the last is, what do you know about preposition of time on? And give an example. So your homework will assign by send an email to Mr. Jendi or Mr. Yudis. Anyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I want to ask some question.
Okay.
What about the deadline?
The deadline may be tomorrow at 11 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you're all clear?
Yes, sir.
So far, so good, sir.
Okay, questions, please ask if there's something that's not clear to you.
No, sir.
Ada yang mau ditanyakan mungkin? Dari Tessa, Patrik, Putri,
No,
Ika,
sir.
Milen.
No, sir.
No.
It's clear enough.
Okay, if there's no question. Okay, thank you for joining today's class. We'll see you in the next meeting. Have a nice day. Bye.
See you next week.
See you, sir.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.